months later.
Thank you, Ken.
Thank you, Billy. TBR compatible with the mid controls. What up, gang? I'm just kidding. Alright, so I got the TBR exhaust right here, the 2-to-1 Comp S, I think it's called. And after 3 weeks with the mechanic, I finally got her on there, and it looks so good. It looks extremely good. I was really excited about it, but there was some complication with the bike, which is why it took about 3 weeks. As you can see, one of the exhaust studs, well, on the other side, but one of the exhaust studs were stripped, and it was like welded on there, so we had to replace the entire cylinder, or at least get it fixed. So as you can see, this is an entirely new cylinder. I have no idea from which bike the cylinder came from, but I mean, if the shoe fits, right? it works, and I haven't noticed any type of, like, you know, decrease in performance. Actually, a matter of fact, I don't know if it might be a placebo, but I do notice an increase in performance. I feel like the bike is more torquey with the exhaust. And yeah, I would have gone with the SCP concept, SCP, I don't know, concept exhaust. But the thing is, with my 48, it has the custom TC Bros mid controls, right? So the thing about the SCP concept exhaust is that the header, this header would go down right here, for the TBR it loops like this, but for the SCP it would loop right here, and I feel like it would interfere with the brake pedal clearance. So, which is why I went with the TBR exhaust, because I felt like it was the only one that would fit, and it looks like it worked. This is actually, though, a secondhand exhaust that I found on Facebook Marketplace. Funny story, this entire build is like 90% Facebook Marketplace. Everything was Facebook Marketplace, even the bars, except for the mid controls, which is the only thing that I probably bought that was brand new. And of course the cables. You don't want to buy secondhand cables. Oh, and the headlight. But the tank was Facebook Marketplace. The seat, I don't know if you guys probably don't know this, but the seat is actually from a 2016 48. The 2015s had other different seats. Yep, exhaust was secondhand. The Lucky Dave's 14 inches were secondhand. The intake was secondhand. And yeah, she rips. Absolutely rips. Rides like a dream, and it sounds good. Anyways, that's enough yapping. Let's go ahead and turn her on. Anyways, yeah, that's the exhaust right there. It looks pretty damn good. And as you can see from, oh, I don't know if I'll put the video of me getting her back from the mechanic before this or after this, but I'll give you guys some riding footage.